At 34, Laura faced a life-changing diabetes scare, sparking her determination to reclaim her health. Searching for a solution, her curiosity led her to Green's Nutrition Store in Columbus, Ohio, where she discovered the keto converts. Amid the aisles filled with healthy options, she heard inspiring tales of transformation. Each story of wellness regained added fuel to her fire, solidifying her decision to embark on her own keto journey. It wasn't just about losing weight, it was about feeling alive again, and so, her adventure began. With newfound resolve, Laura embarked on organizing her kitchen for the keto challenge. With Jenny by her side, they overhauled Laura's pantry, bidding farewell to sugars and carbs, and welcoming a new fleet of fats and proteins. Together, they tackled the math behind keto, calculating macros to ensure Laura's meals met her dietary needs. The walls of her kitchen were transformed as they hung detailed charts and colorful keto recipes. Laura's excitement was infectious as she visualized every meal, a tangible blueprint of her commitment laid out before her, each recipe a step closer to health. 2 weeks into her keto journey, Laura encountered both hurdles and victories. During a crucial presentation at Thompson Tech, she wrestled with the infamous keto flu, her focus faltering under its grip. Yet, in these moments of struggle, triumphs shone through. Laura's face lit up as she recounted the morning she realized she was 10 pounds lighter, a milestone that filled her with elation. Even more so, the ease with which she now climbed the stairs to her office was a daily reminder of her increasing vitality, fueling her determination to persist through the challenges. Sitting amidst the vibrant blooms of her rejuvenated garden, Laura took a moment to reflect on her transformative 30-day keto journey. She marveled at her achievements, shedding 20 pounds, significantly lowering her blood sugar, and reviving both her physical and mental vitality. This new chapter brimmed with health and clarity, empowering her to extend her passion outward. Inspired to create a ripple effect, Laura is now organizing a monthly keto potluck in her community, aiming to share this path of wellness and inspire others with the same spark that ignited her initial leap into keto.